Hello, hello.
We decided to work on property today just to get some change of scenery, so we thought we would bring you guys along with us. We are currently just sitting in the lounge area where the bar is because it's not currently open, so it's nice and quiet, not a whole lot of people around. The music is also pretty low, so if you do need a place to work while you are here or you just want some chill, relaxing time, this is a great spot. I will say it's very nice. It's actually even a little dim. The only light really is from outside, so yeah, we're gonna work for a little bit longer and then we will take you around the resort and just show you how you can enjoy a lovely day here. So we're sitting here working and we just keep seeing something like fluttering around us, and there is a bird here in the lobby that got in. Let me show you. Oh, there he goes. I got him just in time. So let's walk around the hotel a little bit, just show you what is here, what's available, ways that you can relax and unwind if you did want to stop over at this resort. So right when you first walk in, which the door is right behind me, you will see this phenomenal lobby, definitely one of the best ones on property. And then right over here to the right is actually going to be the gift shop. So in here you will have very animal themed gift options available, plus some different merchandise that is specific to Animal Kingdom Lodge. And also in the corner they will have just some food and beverage as well, because this is actually a DVC resort, so they do have a lot of grab and go options available to you. Then further down the lobby on the right hand side, you'll see these sets of stairs. Here is the lounge area where you can grab a drink. Actually, Paul is still sitting there working right there. And then further down is also going to be the restaurant. So you'll have both Boma and Chico down here. And then you can also get to the Mara that way as well. So here is another look at the lounge. You can see Paul working over there, and then the bartenders are getting ready. It's still closed, but it'll be opening soon. And now I am at the bottom of the stairs, and you can see here is Boma, and that is the buffet that is available. And right over here to this side is going to be Chico, which is a table service option. This door here is going to take you over to the pool bar, and the Mara. So you do have to go outside in order to get there. So you do have to go outside in order to get to the Mara, which is their quick service. So let's go take a peek at some of the offerings that they have. Here is the pool, and you can see right over there is the pool bar. Sometimes you can see a little giraffe peeking around the corner when you are in the pool at certain angles, so that is really cool. Highly recommend coming to the pool if you are staying here. It's not very big, but it's really nice. All right, so let's go in and check out the Mara. I absolutely love the Mara for all of their food options, but definitely their desserts. The zebra domes are amazing. Highly recommend getting those if you ever come here. But they also have this carrot cake cheesecake that looks really good, and they're very well known for this brownie that has like a peanut butter frosting on top. So lots of options to really satisfy any sweet tooth. My favorite entree here is actually going to be that falafel platter. It is outstanding. Then once you leave the Mara, you can go down this way, and that will be where the arcade is, along with the clubhouse. So you can check those out if that is something that interests you, but just know, again, you'll have to come outside under the little covered walkway in order to access it. So let's go back to the lobby and go see the best part about the whole hotel, which is the savanna. Another great option if you do need to just sit and relax, or if you do have to work, is to sit by this little fireplace. It is right by the big window. It's just very chill, very quiet. So then just off of the lobby, on each side and on multiple floors, you do have the option of coming to the little outlook nooks. And if it's not too hot, I highly recommend working out here if you have to. It is gorgeous of a view, and you get to see all the animals all day long just roaming around. People do come in and out throughout the day, but nobody really tends to linger very much. It's more just maybe waiting for their dining reservation, or waiting for somebody to get finished getting ready before they go out to the parks. But like right now, there's no one here, and it would be a great place to work if it wasn't 100 degrees outside. It's also drizzling a little bit right now, but let me show you the view. They also have this giant fire pit outside as well. I don't know how much people really want to sit by a fire in the middle of the summer, but if you are here in the winter, it's a really beautiful and nice and relaxing place to just enjoy the atmosphere. Then a little bit further over here, they do have the fire pit that they use for the s'mores and roasting the marshmallows in the evening. Currently, the animals don't seem to really want to be out and about because it is a warmer day. They're kind of further out, so we got this guy right here. Got this guy. That's really it. Well, unfortunately, the animals don't feel like coming out to play today, so we can't really show you any of them because they're too far away, but we are wrapping up our day here. It is about to rain, so we really wanted to beat that and get to the car before it does and head home so we can have dinner. But thanks for coming along. We are going to continue this series of working on property, so comment below at which resort you'd like to have us go to next, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!